So I'm done with lunch. Now it's time to go for dessert. Behind me is Mixue. I heard a lot about this franchise. They are famous for their ice cream and tea. This is how they actually do their franchise until people know them for ice cream and tea only. And other than the taste, right, I heard that they are also affordable. The price is affordable. Their ice cream and tea, their vanilla ice cream and also their lemonade is something that my friends actually recommend me a lot. So you're going to check it out, alright? So Mixer actually comes from China, and I'm at their Desa Setapak branch. As you can see, it's just open and they're still looking for people. Okay. This is how they do their branding. Their branding is so strong. Can you see ice cream and tea? Even their name, right, they're synonymous with ice cream and tea. And their theme song also got ice cream and tea. So the store actually is very simple. That's how it looks like. It's like a Zeus coffee store. Those stuff. Cream. This miso ice cream and this This is the famous snowman, and their menu is just like that. Simple, straightforward. And not much sitting also, so you are encouraged to actually take and go. Here you go. There's a very simple ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Not bad. Nice. Okay, it's really not that sweet. I was expecting it to be very sweet. For $2. This is actually a very good snack after dessert, after lunch. Affordable and not too sweet. So you will see this snowman which is So let's try the lemonade. Okay, this is good. Battery also gonna go off it. Lemon, this is good. For $3, I think it's okay. So that's it for mixture ice cream and tea. You can just find their franchise, right? Google and find their franchise anywhere around you lah. You should be nearby your place. Should have one. They're aggressively expanding right now, and I can see why that a lot of people actually want to take their franchise. The prices are reasonable. I heard the franchise fee is also reasonable at the moment, even though they have 10,000 stores nationwide. Worldwide, as they claim. But that is the business side of things. If you are looking for mixture franchise, perhaps you can Google and find out what is it they offer. Alright, so this is Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.